toy kitchen sets for kids. Are looking for a suitable toy set for your kitchen? These days people look for toy sets which will not only help their child to play but also learn at the same time. One such toy set is the toy kitchen set for the children. This kind of a set will help them give way to their imaginative and creative nature and will also help them learn how to manage and control things at the same time. This toy has been popular since a long time. You might have even played with this kind of a set and now you might think about buying one for your kid. There are various companies which manufacture the toy kitchen. They are usually available in different designs.